Right. Everyone see. Sir, someone Vijay Mass is joining, sir. Vijay Mass, who is that useless fellow? I will see. I will remove him. Okay. First I will see. Sir, new admission. Okay. Okay. Right. Everyone observe, Amma. Everyone observe. So here is, yesterday we are discussed the second problem. What is the second part is, first problem, second part is, so in place of domain R star, replace with the natural number. Define is the same. Second part is, so everyone observe second part is, F is a mapping from natural number to R star. R star means already you know that. R star means, so with non-zero real numbers. So natural numbers already we know that it is the 1, 2, 3, only positive values up to infinity. R star is, so real, all the real numbers without zero, already he defined. R star is the real number, non-zero real number, no zero number. So next, is it is a 1 1 onto is not a injective surjective or not, he is asking. Okay na? First I will take with the figure only I will explain. First everyone see, 1 1 means I will write. So first 1 1, everyone see 1 1 is. So what is the condition for 1 1 is? F of x1 we can take x1 comma x2. So for all x1 comma x2 domain n natural n, so such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2, we have to show that x1 is equal to x2. Then it is a 1 1, otherwise it is not a 1 1. Is it clear? First I will write what is the defined by, in the function f of x is defined by 1 by x, f of x is defined by 1 by x. So f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay, na? So f of x replaced with x1, 1 by x1. x2 replaced with x is replaced with x2, 1 by x2. By the cross multiplication, x1 is equal to x2. F is 1 1. F is 1 1. This part is completed. F is 1 1. So on to I will check. For on to everyone see what is the on to definition is. First on to definition is let y is equal to f of x. So let y is equal to f of x. What is the f of x is given, write down y is equal to 1 by x. From this one find out x value. What is the x is equal to 1 by y. So now substitute y values in that place. Y values, what is the second set is the R star. Y value substitute, then we get x values. What is the x is the natural number. This is the x, domain is the x value and codomain is the y value. Therefore, so we substitute y value, we get the natural number for all condition, then only any one condition, 99 cases is true, one case is failed, so it is not a onto. Okay na? Right, I will draw the figure. Everyone see here is y place I will take 2, y place I will take 2, x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a natural number. 1 by 2 is not a natural number. Therefore, it is not a onto function. Now write down. So for all, let y is equal to 1 by 2. That implies x is equal, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. That implies 1 by 2 does not belongs to natural number. So 1 by 2 x value is not a 1 by 2, x value is the only 2. So all cases 1 by 2 will satisfied, 1 by 3 will satisfied. Any one case also fail, it is not a onto. Therefore, f is not onto. F is not onto. Therefore, is it true? Is asking, is it true or not? It is not a true. So no, the relation is a true or not. 1 but not a onto. The relation is not a true. Result is not true. So no, result is true or not is asking. See, is the result true or not? Result is not true right now. Result is not true. Or no, simply write down or no. Okay, na? Simply write down or no. Right, everyone see, first problem 2 bits are completed. I go through the second problem first bit. Everyone see, second problem first bit. What is the second problem first bit is? Everyone see. Check the injective and surjective of the following function. Second problem, check the injective. Check the injectives and the surjective also, na? And surjective, right? So injective and surjective. Check the injective or surjective for the following function. First bit is, this is the second. First bit is, what is the given first bit is? Observe, what is the first bit is? F is a mapping from n. First n is a domain, second n is a range. Codomain. Second one is the codomain, first one is the domain. Right? What is the another one is? Defined by f of x is equal to, defined by or given by f of x is equal to x square. Three problems, one for natural numbers, one for integers, one for real numbers. One for real numbers also. 3 is given. First bit natural number, second bit integer, third bit is a real number. Okay, now I will check. First one CM. So here is what I am going to define is 1 is a nothing problem. So I will draw the figure. All the natural numbers in the domain set. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. All the natural numbers in the codomain set. So codomain set is a natural number. This is also natural number. This is a natural number. So these are represented by X letter. These are represented by Y letter. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. This mapping is given by F. By what definition is given? F is the X square. 1 square is the 1. Only one element have one image. One element have one image. 2 square is the 4. 3 square is the 9. 3 square is the 9. So one element has one image. One element has one image. One element has one image. This is the 9. Okay, now this is the 4. So one element has one image. One element has one image. Therefore, it is a 1, 1. But it is not a onto. But it is not a onto. Because of range 1, 4, 9. But codomain is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8. But codomain and range is not equal. Therefore, it is not a onto. Figure we can observe me. Problem is understand clearly. Okay, now once again I will write. Here is everyone observe. I will write. Figure is everyone observe. So this is the 1, 2, 3. This is the 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After is the 9. So 3 to 9. Next 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And next one is the 16. 4 with the 16. So these are the infinite numbers. Okay, na? So one element has one image, 2 has one image, 3 has one image, 4 has one image. Therefore, infinity elements have infinity images. Different elements have different images. Therefore, it is a 1, 1. Sir, it's the second part, sir. I will come. Second part. So now we can see it is not a onto. Why it is not a onto means 2 have no pre-image, 3 have no pre-image. Here range is the 1, 4, 9, but codomain is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So codomain is equal to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. But range is only square numbers. Range is 1, 4, and 9, and 16, and 25. Both are not equal. Codomain and range is not equal. Therefore, it is not a onto function. Okay, na? So it is clear, everyone. So now I will write. Everyone see. First, 1, 1 function. 1, 1 function. What is the 1, 1 function is? So here codomain is not equal to range. Understand? Na? Range only 1, 4, 9, 16. But 2, there is no 2 in the range. There is no 3 in the range. There is no 5 in the range. There is no 6 in the range. Therefore, so codomain and range not equal. Therefore, it is not a onto function. I will write in terms of what? See, for all x1 comma x2 belongs to domain natural numbers, so such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2, we have to show that x1 is equal to x2. Now write down f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That implies x replaced with x1, x1 square and x2 square. Square is replacing, generally we put plus or minus, but natural numbers never have negative numbers. Natural numbers have no negative numbers, only positive number. Therefore, x1 is equal to x2 because of natural numbers. X1 and x2 are natural numbers. Natural numbers never have negative values. Only positive values should be represented. X1 is equal to x2 by writing the square root. By writing the square root on both sides, we should write x1 only positive value should take, and we take only positive value because of it is a natural numbers. Okay, na? So therefore, f is 1, 1. Onto check. Everyone see the onto. Onto already we know that codomain and range is not equal. Codomain and range is not equal. So I will write onto. Everyone see. Onto function is. What is the onto function? Let y is equal to f of x. What is the f of x value? Write down. What is the f of x value? Is the x square. X value right now, x is equal to root y. So root y means perfect squares only. Perfect squares only we get. So otherwise, so x place we can put 2. Now see, y is equal to 2. That implies x is equal to root 2 does not belongs to natural number. But 4 we can put means 2, natural number. 9 we can put means 3, natural number. 16 we can put means 4, natural number. But 2 have no, see, 2 have no pre-image. 3 have no pre-image. Now write down codomain is the codomain is not equal to range. This note down. Codomain is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Range is the only square term 1, 4, 9, 16, and etc. Therefore, codomain and range both are not equal. Simply we say that it is a not a onto. So F is not onto. F is not onto. Means it is only one, but it is not a onto. F is injective but not subjective. Now write down conclusion is therefore F is injective. F is injective but not subjective. F is injective but not subjective. But not subjective. But not subjective. Clearly understand, Amma? Anyone needs doubts? Once again, see 1, 1 square root I will apply. We get only the positive values because of given is a natural number. Natural numbers are the positive values only. Natural numbers are the positive values only. Therefore, its root is a positive value. Its root is a positive value. Okay, na? Positive value and positive value. Therefore, it is a 1, 1 function. So, figure is see. 1 have 1 image, 2 have 1 image, 3 have 1 image, 4 have 1 image. One element in the A set have 1 image is only in the B set. Therefore, it is a 1, 1. But it is not a onto because of 2 have no pre-image, 3 have no pre-image, 5 have no pre-image, 6 have no pre-image, 7 have no pre-image. So range codomain is the 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Range is the only square number 1, 4, 9, 16. Only square number. Codomain and range is not equal. Therefore, it is not a onto function. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, now clearly understand, everyone? Clear now, everyone? Right. Today I will send video also. Right. See the second bit. F is a mapping from Z to Z. Second bit. F is a mapping from Z to Z defined by f of x is equal to x square. First I will draw the figure. So everyone see the figure is basing the figure. We can understand easily. So first I will draw the figure. So if you are know the figure means, then only we can clearly understand. Everyone observe. See, first see, integer set is positive numbers and a negative number. First I will draw the integer set. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, up to minus infinity, and 1, 2, 3, 2, plus infinity, 1, 2, 3, 2, plus infinity, 1, 2, 3, 2, plus infinity, 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. This is the A set. Okay, na? This is the A set. 1, 2, 3, minus 3 up to minus infinity. This is the A set. This is the first set Z. Okay, now first set is the Z. Second set also 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to minus infinity. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the next 9, 9, and so on up to plus infinity. Right, everyone observe. This is also Z. Mapping is Z to Z. So first set is the X value, second set is the Y value. Here f of x is the x square. 0 square is the 0. 1 square is the 1. Minus 1 square also 1. Therefore, one element have no one image. Two elements have same image. Here also 2 square is a 4 and minus 2 square also 4. Two elements have the one image, therefore it is not a 1 1. Immediately you can see. So onto, what about the onto, sir? It is not a onto. Code only we are getting the positive values only, but not negative values. Codomain is both positive values and negative values. So my minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 up to infinity. These are the integers. Codomain is this one, but the range is only positive values. That is also square value. 1 4 9 up to infinity. Therefore negative values are not getting. Codomain is not equal to range. Range is the only positive square value. Codomain is a negative and positive. Both are not equal. It is not a onto function. Here is not a 1 1, not a onto. Because of f of x1 is equal to f of x2. X1 square is equal to x2 square. Apply the square root. X1 square is equal to x2 square. So square it is a positive and negative, both are in there. X1 is equal to plus or minus x2. One element have two images. So two elements have one image. X plus x2 plus minus x2 have same image. Therefore, it is not a 1 1. I will write, see, for all minus 1 belongs to Z, minus 1 belongs to Z, plus 1 belongs to Z. So its image is both minus 1 plus 1. For all minus 1 and plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 have same image 1. Have same image 1. Same image 1. Same image 1. Therefore, F is not a 1 1. F is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. Is it clear? So figure only telling. So minus 1 plus 1 have the same. Two elements, one image. But 1 1 means one element have one image. Different elements have different image. But two elements have one image. It is not a 1 1. Minus 1 plus 1 have the same image. It is not a 1 1. Very good. Very good. Right. Here you see x square, x is equal to 1. Range is not equal to codomain. For example, for all y is equal to 3, that implies y is equal to 3, that implies x is equal to root 3. Root 3 does not a integer. Root 3 is not a integer. Now write down codomain is not equal to range. Codomain is not equal to range. Okay, now note down this one, codomain and range. Not equal. F is not onto. F is not onto. Clearly understand now? So see, here is two elements have one image. One element have one image, then only onto. But minus 1 plus 1 both have the same image 1. Therefore, it is not a 1 1. Onto. Only we are getting the range in the positive values, but not getting the negative value. So codomain is not equal to the range. We are getting negative and positive mean. So that is also square values are getting. 2 is not getting, 3 is not getting. Only square values is getting. Therefore, codomain and range not equal. Therefore, it is not a onto function. Okay, na? So F is not neither subject to nor neither injective nor subjective. F is neither injective F is neither injective nor surjective. Nor surjective. Figure we can draw means easily we can understand. Figure we can draw means easily we can understand. Okay, na? Right. Everyone see. Next, I go through the third bit. What is the FPJ? Third bit is everyone observe third bit. FPJ mapping from real numbers to real numbers. Real numbers to real number defined by f of x is x square. Real number to real number. So here real number to real number. Everyone observe real number. What is the real number? See all root values and positive values, negative values, fractions, everything is there. Real numbers see. Real numbers mean it is the integers. Real numbers is the natural numbers, also real numbers. Integers also real numbers. Fractions also rational numbers also in real numbers. Irrational numbers. Root 2, root 3 also real numbers. Complex numbers also real numbers. Complex number also real numbers. Irrational numbers. IR means irrational number. All our numbers is called as a real numbers. Okay, na? It is a 1 1 not a 1 1. I will check. See the figure here. So 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2. Okay, na? 0 sorry 1 and 1 by 3 and 1 by 4 and 2 up to infinity. Here is 0, see 0, okay na? 0, here is 1, here is 1 by 4, 1 by plus 1 by 2 I will write, 1 by 4 and 4, 2, 3 and 4. So okay na? Here is a minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 up to infinity. So root numbers also there. Root 2 I will take, sorry, root 2. Here root 2 also I am going to take. Here also root 2 I will take. Root 2 and root 4, root 3 and everything is there. Okay na? So root terms also there. 2, 3. Okay na? 4. So this is the C. 0 square is the 0 only. Minus 1 square also plus 1, plus 1 square also plus 1. 1 by 2 square is a 1 by 4, minus 1 by 2 square also 1 by 4. And root 2 square is minus root 2 square is a 2, minus root 2 square is a 2, plus root 2 square also 2. So two elements have one image, therefore it is not a 1 1. It is not a 1 1. Write down. F for all x1, x2 belongs to real number. F of x1 is equal to f of x2. We have to show that x1 is equal to x2. X1 square is equal to x2 square root plus or minus. That means two elements have one image. Plus element and minus element both have one image only. Okay, na? Therefore, plus 1 minus 1 have same image 1. F is not a 1 1. On to C. Y is equal to f of x, x square. X is equal to root 2. X is equal to root y. So here is 3 we can take belonging to root 3. But what is the point is root 3? What is the point is codomain all are positive values, but range is only positive. Codomain is the negative and positive value. Range is not there. So here is what I am going to write. Every number is a square. Here is root 2 square we are getting. Only positive values we are getting. 0 getting, 1 getting, 2 getting, 3 getting, 4 getting. All only positive values are getting. No question of negative values because of square. Because of square. All values we getting. 0 getting, 1 getting, 2 getting. All are getting. So 2 also getting, 1 also getting, 3 also getting, all are getting, only positive values are getting. Therefore, codomain is not equal to ring. F is not a onto. F is neither injective nor subjective. Okay, na? Neither injective nor subjective. Here, codomain range not equal. We are not getting in the range is the negative values because of x square will make as a positive values only. Okay, na? We are getting the range is the positive values, but codomain is the both negative and positive values. Therefore, it is not a onto function. From the figure only we can understand. Writing is not necessary. So writing is the codomain is not equal to range. Okay, na? Figure we can draw means we can understand clearly. Okay, na? Right. What is the third bit is also completed. Third bit answer is a neither injective nor subjective. Okay, na? All right. I go through the. Okay. Fourth bit, Amma. Everyone see fourth bit. Natural number to natural number. Natural number to natural number. Okay, na? Everyone see the fourth bit. What is the 3 minutes is there? Okay. F of x is defined by x cube. Right. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. First time we draw the figure, Amma. First time we draw the figure. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. This is the natural number domain set. It is the x. Okay, na? Natural numbers 1, 2. Okay, na? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11. So 12, 13, 14. So 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. That's why I will write up to infinity. Right, see everyone, this is the natural set. It is also y. 1 cube is the 1, 2 cube is the 8, 3 cube is the 27, 3 cube is the 27, and 4 cube is the 64, 4 cube is the 64. So now what values we have? So codomain is equal to all the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, but range is CM. Range is what is the range is 1, 8 and 27, 64. All values are getting or not getting a range is only cubic values are getting. Range only cubic values are getting. Okay, na? Range is only cubic values are getting. 1, 8, 27, 64. These cubic values are. Now codomain range equal or not equal. Therefore, it is not a subjective. 1, 1. One element have one image. One element have one image. Therefore, it is a 1, 1. Therefore, it is a 1, 1. Now here write down x1 cube is equal to x2 cube. By the cubing, we are getting x1 is equal to x2. F is injective. One element, figure C, one element have one image. Figure C, one element have one image. So figure is telling that only we are getting the 1 and 8 and 27 codomain and range both are not equal. Codomain and range both are not equal. 1, 8, 27, 64. Codomain and range is not equal. Codomain and range is not equal, therefore it is not a surjective. Now, one if it is a injective but not a surjective. Now see, x cube, cube root of y, cube root of y. So x is y let y is equal to 2.